Good evening once more. The next lock that we're going to pick, it's a very much used lock. Looks like one of the Vachette locks, a French lock, but this one has nothing French unless Mecanimex is a French company. And it's as I said, it's a very used lock. You can see by the shackle it's quite rusted. And if you turn the key, it's stuck, so it's been exposed on the weather conditions for quite a while. It is a 6-pin lock. That's the bidding. Here on the bottom you can see the pins also. So counting them, there are 6. There's another one, but I think this is for keeping the core in place. The 7th one. There are no security pins inside, I've picked it already. And because of the bidding, we can rock this lock open. So let's first attempt to rock it, and then we can also SPP it. So, bottom of the keyway, and just rock it open. So it's open. It's a ball bearing. Well, it's not actually a ball bearing, but come on, go out. It rotates the whole mechanism and it really locks the shackle in place. Something like a ball bearing, and you cannot shim this lock, whatever. It would be hard, or rather, no, it's not gonna be hard, it's not possible to shim it. So let's put it back in its proper place, and we will try to SPP it. Okay. Okay. So I left it in the lock position, but it doesn't matter. Let's SPP it. Okay. Starting from the back. Would be pin number 6. Pin number 5. Pin number 4. As I said, there are no security pins, only normal pins, standard pins. Just 1. SPPing it is actually the slow way of dealing with this particular padlock. And because of all this wear, it's really hard to find out, is it stuck on the rotation of the core, is it the pin, and the pins are really wobbly. Probably I should have used some WD-40, but I guess I was too lazy to do that, especially knowing what's inside the lock already. So, come on then. Okay, who is not set? Who doesn't want to cooperate? 5, I believe 6, no, 6 is set. And open. Good. So that's Mecanimex. Okay, I do need to turn it all the way so that I can put inside the shackle in. Okay, and stick a tension wrench, otherwise it's breaking my pick and I really don't want to do that. So There we go. SPP'd and rocked open the Mecanimex padlock. Good. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay legal. Cheers.